For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the idea of living forever. The concept of immortality has appeared in myths, legends, and science fiction. But today, the question isn't just a philosophical one. Scientists and researchers are making real advancements that could one day extend human life far beyond what we think is possible. So, how close are we to achieving immortality? Let's explore. The first step in the journey toward immortality begins with understanding why we age. Aging is a natural process that occurs as our cells accumulate damage over time. This damage comes from many sources: environmental factors like radiation and pollution, lifestyle choices like diet and exercise, and even from within our bodies as cells divide and replicate. At the heart of this process are structures called telomeres, tiny protective caps at the ends of our DNA. Each time a cell divides, these telomeres get shorter. When they become too short, the cell can no longer function properly, leading to aging and, eventually, death. To counteract this process, scientists are looking for ways to extend the life of our cells. One approach is gene editing. Technologies like CRISPR allow scientists to modify the DNA in our cells, potentially repairing damaged genes or even making changes to slow down aging. For example, experiments on animals have shown that tweaking certain genes can significantly extend their lifespans. While this research is still in its early stages for humans, it offers a glimpse into a future where genetic engineering might slow or even halt aging. Another promising area of research focuses on senescent cells. These are sometimes called zombie cells because they no longer divide or function properly, but they refuse to die. Over time, they build up in the body, causing inflammation and contributing to aging-related diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Scientists are developing drugs called senolytics to target and destroy these harmful cells. Early studies on animals have shown encouraging results, with improvements in health and lifespan. Human trials are already underway, bringing us closer to a world where we can clear out these cellular troublemakers. But the science of immortality doesn't stop at slowing aging. Some researchers are exploring ways to reverse it. A groundbreaking experiment in 2016 demonstrated that old mice could regain youthful strength and health by receiving the blood of younger mice. This sparked a wave of studies into what scientists call parabiosis, the idea that young blood or plasma contains factors that can rejuvenate the body. While the concept sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, early human trials are exploring whether plasma transfusions can help treat age-related conditions. Another bold idea comes from regenerative medicine. Scientists are working on ways to grow new organs and tissues in the lab, which could replace damaged ones in the body, using stem cells that can transform into any type of tissue. Researchers have already grown functional heart cells, liver tissue, and even skin. Imagine a future where, instead of waiting for an organ donor, you could receive a new lab-grown heart or kidney perfectly matched to your body. This could not only extend life, but also significantly improve its quality. Technology is also playing a key role in the quest for immortality. Some scientists and futurists believe that we might one day upload our minds into computers. The idea is that if we can fully understand how the brain works, we could replicate its structure and function digitally. While this concept is highly theoretical and raises ethical questions, it's an area of active research. Breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and neuroscience are inching us closer to understanding the brain's complexities, making mind uploading an intriguing possibility. One company, Neuralink, is already working on brain-computer interfaces that could one day merge human consciousness with machines. While their current focus is on medical applications, like helping people with paralysis, the technology could potentially pave the way for preserving human thoughts, memories, and personality in a digital form. Could this be a form of immortality? It's hard to say, but it's an idea that's capturing the imagination of many. Despite these exciting developments, there are significant challenges ahead. The science of aging is incredibly complex, and each breakthrough brings new questions. For example, if we slow down or stop aging, how will our bodies cope with other risks like cancer or infectious diseases? Living longer might not mean living healthier unless we address these issues too. There's also the question of ethics. If immortality or significantly extended lifespans become possible, who will have access to these technologies? Will it be reserved for the wealthy, or will it be available to everyone? And what will happen to society if people live for hundreds of years? Issues like overpopulation, resource scarcity, and generational conflicts will need to be addressed before immortality can become a reality. So, how close are we to living forever? While we're still far from achieving true immortality, the advancements being made today are laying the groundwork for a future where humans might live far longer than we do now. Whether it's through gene editing, regenerative medicine, or merging with technology, the quest for immortality is no longer just a dream. It's a field of serious scientific inquiry. The science of immortality reminds us of how much we've achieved and how much there is yet to learn. It's a journey filled with possibilities, challenges, and profound questions about what it means to be human. While we may not live forever, one thing is certain: the pursuit of immortality will continue to push the boundaries of science and reshape our understanding of life itself.